Well, today is Saturday, March 12th, and I'm going to go take the blue boat out here for a little bit of a spin around the neighborhood, and this is going to be the last drive I make in this car before I tear it all apart, rip the engine, transmission out, pull the interior out, suspension. So going to be doing a lot of work on this car in the future, and this is the last chance I'm getting to drive it. Backing out of the garage here. If you can hear that, but one of the reasons I'm going to be doing a lot of work on this thing is the engine's got a miss. It's odd because it's very present at idle, even when the choke's on or off, but under heavy throttle you don't even notice it. So you'll let the car warm up a little bit and then go take it for a spin.